New tonight, California workers will soon be protected if they use marijuana. A new law that takes effect January 1st protects workers who use cannabis when they're not on the job. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Marcella Lee. Today, CBS 8's Anna Laurel met with experts to see how recreational marijuana use is affecting the workplace.
For years, people would take a drug test and they would fail if they had smoked out of one of these within 30 days of taking a test. But because of this new law, you'd actually be protected if you smoke out of one of these and take a drug test tomorrow. Starting January 1st, California employers can still drug test potential and current employees. But unless a person is high when they take the test, it'll be against the law to punish them for having cannabis in their system.
The key thing here is you can't come to work under the influence, and you can't be bringing it into the workplace.
Human resources expert Jilian Dimitt believes the new law will help employers.
So many people are smoking pot, so they'll still be able to get good workers. They will just get good workers who are not coming to work under the influence.
A drug test will need to show active traces of THC that actually cause impairment to a person's ability to do their job for a worker to be punished or a candidate to not be hired.
I don't really see how employers are going to get out of this one, and I don't see how they're going to prove intoxication.
Jackie Bryant is a nationally recognized cannabis lifestyle reporter. She says no drug test on the market can determine if someone is intoxicated with THC at that moment or how long it's been since it was ingested.
Knowing that there's no definitive science on knowing when someone is acutely intoxicated from cannabis and how and what the thresholds are, that's an obvious court case. It's a legal quagmire. Why would you want to get into that?
The state legislature says there are new ways to identify the presence of recently consumed THC in saliva, and it hopes companies develop new tests. The new law does not cover construction workers, federal workers, and those that require federal background and clearance checks. But for everyone else, it's time to update workplace policies.
The new law just reinforces that employees who are using smoking marijuana, for recreational purposes are going to be allowed to continue to do that.